Alright, welcome back everyone to this second video. In this second session, I will teach you about Grammar Galaxy 2. Okay, so we will continue about our modal verbs. So here is Unit 11, modal verbs. But before we start another modal, teacher would like to review all of you about can and could. Okay, if you still remember the using of can and could, it's really good. Okay, so teacher would like to do the review section. So as we know that we use can and could for ability and permission. So as what you can see in here, we use can or could to talk about the ability. Yes, as in the example, I can ride a bike now. I can ride a bike now. So this is about the ability that someone has in the present, right? And how about the ability that someone had in the past time? We use with the word could, okay? I couldn't ride a bike then. Yes, if we compare both of this, as we know that we have two different time. The first one, I can ride a bike now. It shows us about the what happened in the present, right? And for the ability that that person had in the past is, as what you can say, I couldn't ride a bike then. So it means like before, you couldn't ride a bike, and right now you learn how to ride a bike, and you also can ride a bike really well. Okay, so how about the yes or no question? So for yes or no question, you just form with the word can by put it in front of the sentence. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Could you ride at age 5? Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Okay, so these are about the ability that you can use with can or could. And how about can and could in the permission? Yeah, if you want to give permission, ask for a permission, you can use with the word can as well, right? You can have some ice cream. You cannot swim here. Can I play outside? Can I watch TV? And for yes or no question, you can reply back yes you can or no you can. So both of them, when you answer as in a yes or no question, both of them are the same, right? But the difference is the permission is about you allow someone to do something, right? And for ability, we refer to something that people can do, or the ability that people are able to do something, right? Alright everyone, so today I will teach you about other modal. The modal that we are going to study is on page 51, should. What is should? Why do we need to use should? So should, we use it for advice. So we use modal should like verb should plus verb to talk about advice. When you want to give advice, when we want to help some people when they have problems. So it's about giving the advice, right? Okay, as what you can see in the example below. 1. You should study hard. You should study hard. It perhaps that you failed the exam, or maybe you didn't focus on the lesson, so that's why somebody asks you or somebody tell you like, oh, you should study hard because you may fail the exam or you may fail the test. Okay, so this is about you give someone advice. Number 2, you should see a doctor. Perhaps in this situation, you see your friend, they are really weak, look really weak and not strong. And then you tell them, hey dear, you should see a doctor because you look not well. Okay? And 3, you should get some medicine. You should get some medicine. You cough a lot, so you should get some medicine from the hospital, right? Number 4, you should be polite. Okay, so you should be polite. Imagine that situation when you talk to the older people, and then you need to be polite, right? Okay, so number 5, you should go to bed early. Oh, for example, you see your friend, they are chatting online at night, really late at night, and then you just chat to them, hey, you should go to bed early, okay, because tomorrow you will go to school, or you will have a test or the monthly exam, right? Okay, so these are about you give someone advice. You think that that activity is not right and you want to change them, or you want to give solution, or you want to advise them, you can use the word should plus verb. And how about should as in the negative form? Okay, I will show you. So here is, you also can advise people by not to do something. Okay, so to form the negative form, you just add should plus not plus verb, or shouldn't plus verb. As what you can see in the example below are: 1. You shouldn't go to bed too late. Yeah, you shouldn't go to bed too late. 2. You shouldn't shout at your mother, because your mother, she is the one who give you birth, and you should respect her. And then that's why you should not shout at your mother, right? 3. You shouldn't skip breakfast. Yeah, as we know that breakfast is really important, so that's why we shouldn't skip it. Okay. 4. You shouldn't drink beer. Yeah, your age is so young, so you couldn't drink beer, so that's why you should not drink beer. 5. You shouldn't eat a lot of fast food. Yeah, if you want to stay healthy, so the tip is you shouldn't eat a lot of fast food. So try to eat healthy food or vegetable, right? So this is about when you want to tell someone not to do something. And this is also giving advice to someone as well. Okay? Alright everyone, so I also have the practice activity for all of you to do. So I want all of you to give advice. So there are 3 problems that I have. Okay? Number 1, I have a toothache. What can I do? So you can say, you should go to see a dentist. Okay? 2, I failed the test. What should I do? So in this situation, you can tell that person, hey, you should study hard. You should study every day. Okay? And 3, my weight is 85 kilograms now. Okay, so I am getting fat. What should I do? So in this situation, you can say, perhaps you can say, you should exercise every day, or you should eat healthy food, or perhaps you can say you should get some tip in order to lose weight, right? Okay, so everyone, so just to summarize what I have told you in today's video is about using modal verb should as in giving advice. Okay, so thank you everyone for spending your time in today's online class. I hope to see you guys in our next video, and please protect yourself from COVID-19 by stay home, stay safe. And when you go to somewhere, please bring the gel or the spray with you, and don't forget to wear mask. All right? Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.